What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Matic Polygon, which has pumped up over 23% up in the last 24 hours, currently sitting at $1.14. Sorry. So we're going to be looking at how high can it go. Is it time to invest? Is it too late? Should you get into it? Or if you own it right now, should you sell it if you're on a profit? And looking at its predictions over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go, and also focusing on both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website. The market is up today at just under 4%, as you guys can clearly see, and Polygon has managed to gain a spot in the top gainers list, gaining over 22%. In the last hour itself, it has dropped just about 3%, but that is completely normal. When a crypto is doing a major increase in value, dips are always part of the process. Over the week, 23% up. We can see late October, it was slowly and steadily dropping in value, hitting a lowest of 84 cents earlier this week, and right now has pumped up all the way to $1.14, and over the month is an overall 36% up. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by 68% in the last 24 hours, making it $1.8 billion in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Polygon. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it has been getting a lot of attention recently because of the hype, the pump that has been going through it as well. We can see here 93% buy against 7% sell. Looks like a lot of people are trying to buy it right now, getting into it, and we've got minority of the people, 7%, selling the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So as you can see, we've also got the purple line at the top here, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Matic, which at the moment is 91 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value at $1.14, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I will move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, just a little disclaimer as usual guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue line and the orange line both looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. They're not looking too steep, but they are just about slanting towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So let's say towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect an overall drop in value on Polygon. And again, it doesn't mean it's going to be a major drop or anything like that. It is going to be very minimal, so don't expect a major drop. And again, those of you who are looking to buy the dip, that's not your moment, because guys, yes, we are going to see green candles in between. We are going to see a pump up to about $1.20, $1.25, and then drop back down to around under the $1 mark I'm expecting over the next couple of days. So let's move on to the hourly chart. Next few days, what can we see here? We've got a mixed signal here. We've got the blue line slightly heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line just about looking bullish, heading towards the positive side. So as you can see, both of them are very, very close to each other, meaning both the lines are going in opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in what is expected over the coming days. So over the next 7 to 8 days, I am expecting an overall fluctuation around the $1.10, $1.15 target. But again guys, that does not mean we're going to be consistently hitting red candles or green candles in a row. We are going to have red and green candles up and down all over the place. It's going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be neutral, so fluctuating at its current price range over the next few days is what I'm expecting from this crypto. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking quite bullish. and the blue line is looking quite steep, going in a positive direction, which means it is not realistic. Again, the only reason why we're seeing steep lines going in a bullish direction is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last 2 days. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case, guys. I'm not expecting any major increases in value over the coming weeks, unless of course there is a major update or major news that come across that will have a potential impact on the value of Polygon, which at the moment I'm not expecting. But obviously if I am expecting a major decrease or increase or anything like that, I will make sure to let you guys know as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So these are my takes and my predictions on Polygon. What I'm going to do now is get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. This is very interesting, guys. So as you can see, guys, we are trading in the green zone, but we are very close to hitting the dark green zone. And earlier today we did hit the resistance target of the dark green zone, as you guys can clearly see here at the top, $1.18, and we straight away drop back down. So this is where it's going to get a little bit tricky. So yes, we are going to be resisting, and we are also going to be hitting the dark green zone over the next few hours. We are going to be trading in between the green and the dark green zone, somewhere in between here, jumping up and down, but I'm expecting us to resist and then drop down a little bit over the coming days to about 110, 105, 110 over the next few days, and then potentially we should be able to slowly and steadily gain value over the coming weeks. Towards the end of the year, we should be trading in the dark green zone, but again, that's something that we should keep an eye out on. If you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to give you guys, once every 2-3 days or whatever it is. Comment down below and I'll keep you guys updated as much as I can. But yeah, so far it's likely we are going to be trading in between these two targets here of the resistance line and then dropping back down into the green zone. But again, guys, let me know what your expectations are. How high or how low do you guys predict this crypto to go? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, especially that I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around this crypto. A lot of people have been saying, you know what, it's a pump and dump token, it's going to drop back down. Personally, I do not believe it's a pump and dump token. I've been holding on to Polygon for about 2 years now. I haven't sold it. I'm still holding on to it, and I will be holding on to it for the long run, because this is one of the cryptos that I believe will achieve huge numbers over the coming years. So yeah, I'm still holding on to this crypto. But yeah, guys, these are my takes and my predictions on Polygon. I'm very intrigued to see how high or how low you guys predict this crypto to go. So let me know in the comment section down below. And on that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form. And especially all the subscribers out there, thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit the 100k subscriber target by the end of the year. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.